A firewall is a part of a computer system or network that is designed to block unauthorized access while permitting authorized communications. Windows 7 has a built-in firewall that provides security by limiting or preventing access to your computer from the Internet. Sometimes, software firewalls, like the one included in Windows 7, conflicts with the built-in hardware firewall of the Linksys router. In such cases, you have to disable the built-in firewalls for Windows 7. Note that disabling the Windows firewall should only be done temporarily to allow downloads or hardware installations on your network. Changes within the network may require you to re-enable Windows firewall for your computer protection. In this video, we'll guide you on how to disable the Windows firewall using Windows 7 operating system. So the first step we do is to go to Start and then Control Panel. In the Control Panel, just click System and Security. Then go to Windows Firewall. In the Windows Firewall settings, just click Turn Windows Firewall on or off. So in these settings, we are going to turn off our firewall. So we need to choose this one to turn off our Windows firewall. So but if you are going to turn on your Windows firewall, just click this. But today we are going to turn off our Windows firewall. So we need to choose turn off Windows firewall. Then click OK. Our Windows firewall is turned off.